Hello guys, welcome back to Good Troll Tips. In this video I'm gonna talk about Marvel's Avengers loading on PC and how to fix. So I'll be providing link in the description to read this article from our website so that you can check out. So now let's talking about the issue and how to fix this up. All you have to do is you just have to follow the very simple instructions, because as of now, the Marvel's Avengers game, that is, this game is having a lot of issues, and we are expecting that the Square Enix will try to pick this very easily, and I mean very fast, because right now this issue is happening, and for most every single players, they're having a little slow when they're trying to play the game, when they're trying to open the game, right? So one solution what you have to do is, when you're trying to install the game, we request you guys to install the game on what we request is you guys to install the game on SSD, right? So if you're installing the game on the SSD, there is a very high chance which will speed up the gameplay, but also you can see a huge improvement in launching and getting into the match and the game file saves and more, right? And apart from all that, we just wanted to make you notice that you should make sure yourself that you're having a little bit good configuration, right? So you should be having a good configuration. So if not, then it's definitely going to be an issue, right? You should be having good configuration itself. Then this is what we have to talk on the second one, because the system has to be good enough, right? So if it is good enough, then there is no issue, right? You have to be good enough. So that is what we have to talk about with the second one. Just make sure yourself that it's all good, right? You have to make sure yourself it's all good. Then what we just want to make you notice is, so then it's all about when you're trying to play the game, if you're still feeling there is a lag, then what you have to do is you just have to go to the task manager, right? So I'll cancel this. So we'll go to the task manager here, right? So go to the task manager and select yourself and make sure yourself is any great, what should I say, is any, check the background running task via task manager and clear the unnecessary memory or CPU hungry process if anything is going on between. So if I'm playing any kind of game, it will be different here. So just make sure yourself that no big things are going here, which is going to it is going to make you lag. So you just have to, if it is anyone, you just have to select the particular file, for example like this, and you have to go for the end task and you have to play the game once again. So these are the methods which can fix, right, which can fix the Marvel's Avengers slow loading on PC, and how to fix this up for the PC Windows users. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. Any kind of suggestions are most welcome, so that we can definitely have a look at it and we'll get back to you. This is Shahan signing off from Good Troll Tips. See you soon. Peace out.